Hi everyone. So I just wanted to pop in really fast. I don't even have time to set my tripod up, so you'll have to excuse my shaky phone. Don't know if you have these days, but everything that was supposed to happen today just did not happen on schedule. So I had this whole list of things that must do, to do, gonna do, and from the minute I woke up, just my day got hijacked. So, different calls. I got a call I have to be up in LA, and just like within a couple of hours, didn't plan on doing that. Had this beautiful meal I planned on making, bought a gorgeous cut of lamb, bought all these fresh veggies, planned on doing everything a certain way today, and none of it just worked out. So, but yet I don't want this lamb to go bad, and I really want to use it. So instead of doing what I was going to do, I'm going to do a quick turnaround. I'm not going to do this roasted lamb. Diced it up really fast, and I'm going to do Lubian Rose. Lubian Rose is one of my favorites. We are Lebanese. So Lubian Rose is a dish, it's more like a stew. So it's like diced up lamb with some green beans, lots of beautiful spices, and some tomatoes. You can put it over rice if you want. We usually don't. We're usually pretty grain-free. But if you're one of those people, what are reasons you might want to do rice? So kids like rice. If you're trying to get kids to eat healthy, that's one reason. Another reason is I actually do a lot of coaching for people who need to gain weight. I know that's just like irritating, right? But I do coaching for like athletes and police officers, people like that who can't keep weight on. They're people who need more carbs. So they're not people who I'm going to tell cut all grains out, right? We just want them to focus on gluten-free carbs, gluten-free grains. So what did I do to make this work? I literally have to be out of my house in 10 minutes. And I literally prepared this in 10 minutes. So what did I do? I'm going to show you the mess I made first of all. So this is my mess that I made. So I just want you to all know it's not always about looking really great and doing everything like in this amazing organized fashion. I just didn't want to waste this meat. And when my husband gets home today, I won't be home, but I want him to know that like this is ready and I didn't waste this and we've got this for leftovers and it's the best I could do today. So what I did is I took the meat diced I'm throwing it into a crock pot. What you can do, with Lubian Rose, it's good if you can brown the meat, and if you don't have time, don't worry about it. Throw it all into a crock pot, and then take some onion, throw the onion in there. Now, if I have time, I will saute the onion and the lamb together, and then I will throw those into the crock pot after they're browned. But if I don't have time, throw them in the crock pot. 2 cups of diced green beans. I'm just going to show you here. I'm just throwing this all like a stew. Oh, what just happened? I'm throwing this all like a stew into my crock pot. Okay, so you can see this. So it's just a big pile. So there's 2 cups of cut green beans. I've got about a pound of lamb. I threw a can of organic diced tomatoes in there. And then a bunch of spices. I have about a half of an onion that's cut up. And then there's allspice and cinnamon, which are amazing. They're just loaded with antioxidants. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. At the end, you can top it off with some pine nuts. Now I'm going to put this on low so that by the time my husband gets home, it'll be perfect. Now, it may not be exactly the same. It's going to be a little more like a stew, right? And then if he wants rice, he will, but he won't eat rice. But if you want to, when you get back, you can then throw some rice on and it'll be done in a very short time. That's how I saved the day. Didn't waste my lamb, made sure dinner's ready when I got home. It took me, no joke, 10 minutes by throwing it into a crock pot. Just want you to have that tip. Don't freak out when your day goes sideways. There's still a way to make it work, still a way to eat healthy. And I'm not lying to you, 10 minutes. All right, hope this was helpful. Enjoy your day and try and stay dry. We have to drive up to LA in traffic, so wish us luck. All right, take care, bye-bye.